If you're starting from zero and want to build wealth, the big question is, where do you begin? How do you go from struggling financially to achieving financial freedom? What did millionaires do to get there, and what can you apply today? The truth is, there are strategic steps that anyone can follow to accumulate wealth from absolutely nothing. But here's the problem. Most people never learn these rules and spend their entire lives making the same financial mistakes. Today, you'll discover 9 essential steps to go from zero to financial success, without shortcuts or miracles, but with a realistic and proven plan that works. And if you stick around until the end, you'll understand the biggest mistake that keeps people from getting rich. Let's get started. 1. The mindset shift. Before making money, you need to change the way you think about money. The difference between those who build wealth and those who always struggle isn't just what they do, but what they believe about money. Wealthy people see money as a tool to multiply opportunities, while most people see it as something to spend. This mindset shift completely changes your financial decisions. Start by repeating these 3 fundamental truths. Money is a tool, not a goal. Use money to create more money. Building wealth takes time. It may feel slow at first, but patience and consistency are your greatest allies. You can learn everything you need to succeed financially. Financial knowledge is available, and the only thing stopping you is not seeking it. Now that you've adjusted your mindset, the next step is to act wisely with your money. 2. Control your spending and make your money work. If you want to build wealth, you must take control of where your money goes. Most people spend without a plan and have no idea where their salary disappears at the end of the month. But those who build wealth tell their money exactly where it should go. Here's a simple way to start. Avoid impulse purchases. Before buying anything, ask yourself, will this make me richer, or is it just for short-term pleasure? Cut unnecessary expenses and invest the difference. Small savings add up when invested correctly. Always save a fixed percentage of what you earn. If nothing is left at the end of the month, you're spending too much. The next step is crucial for accelerating your financial growth. Create multiple income streams. Relying on only one source of income is one of the biggest financial mistakes anyone can make. Those who get rich quickly don't just focus on earning more at their jobs. They create multiple streams of income. Here are some ways to start. Side hustles, freelancing, consulting, or selling online. Investments, creating passive income through dividends or rental properties. Entrepreneurship. You don't have to quit your job, but having something scalable that makes money without your constant presence is key. Having multiple income sources speeds up your wealth building journey and protects you from financial setbacks. 4. Invest before spending. Most people spend first and invest what's left, usually nothing. But those who build wealth do the opposite. Invest first. Pay yourself before paying anything else. Use investment returns for luxuries. Never touch your principal, only the profits. Think long-term. Starting early allows you to benefit from the power of compound interest. Even with a small amount of money, starting now is what truly matters. 5. Develop valuable skills. To earn more money, you must increase your value in the market. The more valuable your skill set, the more people will be willing to pay you. Ask yourself, what high-income skills are in demand? What can I learn to boost my earnings? How can I solve problems that people are willing to pay for? Continuous learning is one of the biggest differentiators of those who build wealth. 6. Master the money game. If you don't understand money, you'll always be a slave to it. Those who get rich take time to learn about investments, taxes, assets, and liabilities. If you want to build wealth, you need to understand how money works and learn to make your money work for you. 7. Take calculated risks. There's no wealth without risk, but rich people aren't reckless. They calculate their risks. Before making any financial decision, ask yourself, what's the worst-case scenario? If I lose money, can I recover? Is there a way to minimize the risk? The fear of risk keeps many people from making decisions that could change their lives. But the biggest risk is never taking any risk at all. 8. Avoid lifestyle inflation. With every salary increase, many people increase their spending, buy a more expensive car, or upgrade their lifestyle, yet they still save nothing. The wealthy do the opposite. they maintain a balanced lifestyle and invest extra money. Always ask yourself, am I spending more because I need to or just because I can? If you want to build wealth, you must control your cost of living, even as you earn more. 9. Be consistent and use the power of words to your advantage. Building wealth isn't about making a lot of money at once. It's about making small, smart decisions consistently. Most people give up because they expect quick results, but wealth comes to those who stay in the game. Every action you take today compounds over time, and the effects of investing, learning, and making disciplined choices grow exponentially. And here's a challenge for you. Use the power of words to your advantage. If you truly want to change your financial reality, declare it right now. Comment below, I am the next millionaire. It may seem like just a comment, but verbalizing your intentions to the universe helps unlock your millionaire mindset. Now tell me, which of these steps are you already applying in your life? Leave your comment and subscribe to the channel for more content on financial freedom.